Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I know it's been a long time uh, that I uploaded the video because we are waiting for some other boxes and this one has just arrived. This is a top Chrome hanger box. So this is our first time uh, to video this hanger box. So let's see what we can pull on this box. I already opened the mega box and the blaster box of the top screw, but uh, unfortunately, only the mega boxes the that we have a good luck. I mean, we pull a numbered card for the megas, but the blaster we haven't pulled any number cards yet. So I watched the other videos in the about this. So uh, others are pulling a number cards about this hanger box. They say it's a hanger um hang, hanger banger or something like that. So let's see if we will have a luck pulling a number card for here for this box. So it says Chase exclusive Pulsar parallel. So, yep, no indication if we can pull a autograph. So uh let's open this so we can check if we can if we have a luck opening this box. Okay, so we don't need any tools to open this one. Okay, so it says 15 total cards. So this will be a very short rip, just a 15 cards. Okay, so we have only uh, one pack. Okay, so good luck if we can pull any number cards from here. Okay, so there we go. And let's see. Okay, so we have Donovan Mitchell and a rookie. Okay, we'll put it here. And we have Kobe White and another rookie. We have Jalen Suggs, Drayman, Delaware, and so we have Watkins and okay, so we have to go to the back. Okay, so we have a rookie and another vet, another rookie. Okay, so we have a backward card. Let's check this one first. for the rookie, and we have Miles Bridges Pulsar. Okay, that's good. And we have a Joel Embiid. And we have a Serenity of Tatum. So let's see. This one has it's not a number, not numbered. Just double checking. Okay, so this one is also not numbered. Okay, so no numbered. And so what we have here, we have a backward card. Okay, so let's see. There we go. Say rookie, slick finisher. Okay, this is a this is my first time to pull this kind of card. Oh, it's a number. Look at that. Yes, yes. So hanger backs is I think it's good. First time I opened the hanger backs and I have pulled a numbered card. It says uh, one 150. Very nice. So let's put this one. Let's leave this one. Okay. Let me leave this one first. Oh, very nice. So what do you think? Based on my experience, uh, this hanger is as more it's giving me more luck. So this is my first to open this hanger banks and I already pull a number card. Look at that. So for now, let's leave this also. So this is not actually our main hit. Uh, for this box, this is what we can say a great pull. So there we go. So I think I will open another box of this hanger back, and I hope we can buy more of this and see if hangers are definitely a banger. That's what they say, and yes. Look at that. So thank you for watching, and uh, wait wait for the another video of this. Definitely we will open this box and hope I can buy more this hanger box. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my video for more support. Thank you.